I didn't really learn of the Malu until I moved to Auckland when I was 18 years old. I wasn't surrounded by many other Samoans, and so I knew nothing of it until I came up here. But instinctively, from quite a young age, even when friends started to get tattoos in our teens, I knew it wasn't for me and I wasn't sure why. And when I came up to Auckland and I saw the Malu, I heard about the Malu, I learnt about the Malu, I knew that that is what I would be waiting, what I would wait for. And so it was about timing, and the timing couldn't have been better. It was the Tufuga that I had learned about probably a decade ago. The person who I wanted to do it was the one that did do it. As we mentioned yesterday, it was matariki, so a time of reflection, a time to look forward, and also just that sense of pride in our Polynesian Pacific knowledge and history. A full moon, which we know is symbolic of so many things. It had been raining all week, and that day the rain paused, which was important because my husband was doing the lovo for everyone to eat when we celebrated at the end. And then by chance, which ended up being a very good thing, the electricity was turned off on our street for the full day, which meant there weren't the distractions that there would otherwise be. The children couldn't play on the PlayStation, my father couldn't go downstairs and listen to Radio Samoa or watch TV. And so everyone had to engage with this very special ceremony and what was going on. So the timing was impeccable. I think from what I learnt about the Malu early on is that traditionally it was the daughter of a high chief, of someone of high rank. That's certainly not me, and I guess I have taken the path whereby others, I would hope, would deem me worthy because of the service that I have committed to through my life and all of the work that I've undertaken, particularly with respect to our Pacific community. And so I was and am at that point where I think I have the support of the community and my family to do this, which is really important. I woke up this morning and I looked at my legs, and it felt like it had been there a long time. It wasn't foreign, I guess. And I felt the pride from everyone with the fact that I was undertaking this journey. But for me, it's a reflection of my pride in being a Pacifica, a Samoan woman, a reflection of my traditions, my culture, that I have a great deal of pride for. And so I think there was pride in the room for a number of reasons, and all of those that I just mentioned. Firstly, I'd acknowledge the Prime Minister of Samoa. I think that she is the most public Samoan woman with her Malu, but certainly recognise that given my role, it is very public. I won't be revealing it on the daily. There will be times when it is appropriate to show and to share, and I'll do that proudly. But mostly, I will be strengthened in everything I do by knowing that I wear this underneath any costume I might be wearing when I walk into whatever space. It's really important to recognise that cultural confidence can permeate every other space in our lives and actually support with whatever our other goals and aspirations are. It's integral to helping us, I believe, as Pacific women get ahead, and very difficult to get ahead in any space if we don't acknowledge, recognise, celebrate who we are.